who doesn't love a clean, classic car? With the popularity of classic cars still thriving around the world, demand for personalized custom engine details is stronger than ever. That's where Walker Products' ignition wire set program steps in. Whether you're restoring a classic or tuning your current ride, Walker's universal customizable wire sets gives you the tools to achieve the perfect fit and ultimate custom look. With a wide range of fitments available, Walker's wire sets are designed to fit almost every popular application. And we don't stop there. Whether you're looking for standard replacement wire sets or high-performance configurations, Walker Products has you covered with reliable, long-lasting ignition wires. So whether you're enhancing your classic or upgrading for performance, make sure your engine bay stands out with Walker Products' customizable ignition wire sets, precision built for the best fit and performance. Today, we'll walk you through the simple steps to install your new custom ignition wires. Step 1. Measure. Start by measuring the length of each wire. Route the wire from the distributor cap to the spark plug, following the path you want it to take in the engine bay. Make sure to allow enough slack for engine movement and avoid excess wire that could clutter the look. Step 2. Cut. Once you've got the correct length, it's time to cut. Use wire cutters to trim the wire to your measured length. Precision is key here to ensure a clean and professional installation. Step 3. Strip. Next, strip back the insulation on the end of the wire. Walker Products provides the stripping tool in every universal kit, making it easy to remove just enough insulation without damaging the wire itself. Step 4. Crimp. With the wire stripped, you're ready to crimp on the connector. Use the included crimping tool to secure the connector tightly. A strong crimp ensures a reliable electrical connection and long-lasting performance. Step 5. Install. Now attach your custom length wires to the distributor cap and spark plugs. Take care to route the wires cleanly for both aesthetics and performance, ensuring there's no rubbing or interference with other engine components. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you've achieved a custom ignition wire setup tailored perfectly to your vehicle. Whether you're enhancing your classic or upgrading for performance, Walker Products' customizable ignition wire sets gives you the tools to get the job done right. Walker Products, driving performance since 1946.